This is Marshall from Wealth Creation Academy. Okay, so in today's video, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you on how you can earn some passive income and some decentralized exchange. Previously, in the previous video, I showed you how you can earn some yield on Radium, which is a decentralized exchange on Solana. And today we're going to look at Trader Joe. Trader Joe is a DEX, is a decentralized exchange on Avalanche network. Okay, Avalanche network. All right. But before I go on, let's do a quick disclaimer. So this is not a financial advice. Okay, make sure that you do your own due diligence. I'm just sharing with you what I'm doing, as you're going to see here. Okay, because a decentralized exchange can be very dangerous, can be very risky also, because there is no one who is in charge of it. There is no a customer service you can call, so you have to to do your own due diligence and take a risk you can afford. Always use the money you can afford to lose. Okay, that is done. Now let's have a look. So you're going to need to token. Okay, you're going to need a token called AVAX, which is Avalanche, and you're going to need a token which is called Trader Joe. So Joe, the actual token is Joe. Okay, JOE. All right, you will see, and this is the exchange here at Trader Joe. Trader Joe XYZ. Okay. .com. All right, but the link for the Trader Joe exchange will be in the description anyway for you, so not to fall for different type of scam. Okay, but you also going to need a MetaMask browser wallet. This is important. Okay, if you haven't done so, there is plenty of video on YouTube on how to set up your MetaMask. Okay, maybe if you guys want it, just leave it in the comment. If you need me to do that tutorial, I will be happy to do it. Okay, I just don't want to duplicate the work when there is a lot of people who already done it. But if you do need it for myself, I will shoot up a video on how to add MetaMask to your Chrome browser. Okay, so now let's have a look. So you need the MetaMask, and the MetaMask will look like this. Okay, so if I click here, just quickly, and then you'll be able to see in a minute. All right, so okay, so you can see here is Avalanche on Avalanche network. With the MetaMask, you have different network. Okay, so you have to click this arrow to make sure you're on a correct network. Now this is where you need to be very careful. So if you have an Ethereum network, or if you have Avalanche network, if you have other like a BNB, Binance chain network, all of that, they come here, but they all have the same address. But you need to make sure that the network you selected is the network you want. Okay, so you should, for example, you shouldn't send any AVAX here when it says Ethereum network or Binance chain or things like that. So you need to make sure it's on Avalanche network. Okay, so you have that. So we're going to do, we connect it. As you can see that I've already connected to the wallet. But yeah, let me just do it again so that you can know. So once you click here, we go here, and it will ask you which browser do you want to connect. So these are the different ones. So you click this, and it's automatically selected. Okay, because I have the network already selected on Avalanche. So if it was a different network, it would be saying here like wrong network or things like that. All right, so what we're going to do, like we did with the Solana, okay, with the Radium, so you have different. So this is a decentralized exchange. It's an exchange on itself. Okay, so you can swap thing here, all this kind of stuff. but you can also pool money together so you can earn some interest, some yield. Okay, so here you will see, for example, many people who have, these are the tokens that you put together, so USDC and Avalanche, and you can see that you can earn 23% APR, okay, and so forth and so forth. This is not bad. You can see some really crazy, I don't know what this, yeah, this MIM AVAX is 139% APR, so very, very good. Look at this meme in time, you can get 537 APR, right? It's crazy stuff, crazy APR, right? So this is interesting. So, and then once we've done that, what we're going to do, we're going then to farm. We're gonna farm here to earn more interest again. Okay, so we're gonna farm to earn more interest. Here you can see so many different. So what we're going to do, we're going to pull together AVAX and Trader Joe, but I'm going to show you how I can buy first the Trader Joe, the Joe token, because I haven't bought it yet. So I only have AVAX, but I'm gonna have to buy the Trader Joe token. Okay, so we come here and you can see here, you can select, I want the Joe token. Okay, and it's this one at the top. So I want to trade, for example, 0 to 120. It's about 12 Joe. Okay, so here we go. So, and then just is as simple as that. And you see price, liquidity providers fee. You can see the fee is really minimum, but you're gonna do, I'm going to pay also some fees from my MetaMask wallet. So what you do, you just click here, you're fine, okay, and then you confirm. There we go, and then they will need the permission from me, from my MetaMask. Okay, see, you're swapping 0.2 AVAX to this, and here is showing me, look, this is the maximum, maximum that I will pay, and the fee is just only this one. This is the maximum I need to pay. I need to have in a wallet at least this amount to cover the 0.2 I'm paying and the fee. So this is a very low at the moment. Let's have a look AVAX, how much it is. AVAX is today, the market is down and it's probably low. It's $84. Okay, it's $84. So let's go back to confirm again the transaction. Okay, let me just click here. All right, so let's confirm this transaction, and you can see that transaction is submitted. Okay, they have deducted already here. So, and then I'll just close. Okay, and in here I might just need to add the Joe to the wallet so that it adds automatically to my MetaMask. Okay, so Joe, you can see already that I already have 12, and I just click add token, and that's it. So that's the first step. Okay, so what we did, because when you want to pool, to put the money in the pool, you need to have 2 tokens, and they have to be the equal amount in dollars, in dollar prices. Okay, so in this way, and then people, for example, I just bought AVAX, I just bought Trader Joe, I just bought Joe with AVAX. There is someone who has provided this pool like I just bought. Otherwise, because decentralized exchange doesn't have any company that will have to put liquidity first, etc. No, these are users, and that's why you get paid for fees. These exchange fees are shared among people who are providing liquidity, people who are providing, put it together, and then I'll show you then how we can just do the farming part. Okay, so now let's pull these AVAX with Joe. So it's Joe AVAX here. You can see the percentage is 7.8%. So it's not a huge compare, okay? But I'll show you how you're gonna earn more yield by farming again, okay? So here what we're going to do, we're going to put, I don't know, let's put 12 Joe. I will need 0.19 AVAX, okay? So, and then this is as simple as that. I'm just gonna add this to the liquidity, and I just click approve. Again, I need to pay just another small fee from my MetaMask. So again, this is important that you need to have at least some AVAX to pay for the fees. This is a little fees, but you need to have enough balance in order to do that. All right. So let's have a look at that. It's still approving. Once it's approved, we should be able to get pretty much. Okay, so let's go. So approve Joe. So I need to approve now from MetaMask. So I showed the intent earlier, and then I need to approve it now. Okay, so I need to confirm. Again, it's another small fee. It's not a lot, granting permission. So now I need to supply. Okay, I need to click on supply. I confirm supply. So 12, just deposited 12, and the AVAX, you confirm in the rate, etc., etc., and then I just click confirm. Okay, again, each action you need to pay a little fees. Okay, so if you was doing this on Ethereum, it would be horrendous in fees. Okay, it would be crazy. Just this transaction, if you do yield farming on Ethereum and try to do it, it was a lot of fees you have to pay. So like yield farming on Avalanche, on Solana, and on others is pretty good. Okay, all right. So now we see that it's all done here. Now let's go. Now we're going to go to the form. Click on the form, and then we need to look at that pair of AVAX and Joe. All right, AVAX and Joe. AVAX and Joe. Let me see what I can search. To do, if you don't see the pair here, what you can do, you can come here, and then you see Joe AVAX, and here you can see it's up here. Now you can see here, I need now to manage this yield farming. Okay, you can see once I have put my pool, I have put my fund. I just put AVAX and Joe, right, to provide liquidity. Straight away, I will be given a what you call LP token, a liquidity token. So now a liquidity, they gave me LP tokens balance, which is 1.2 something. So now I'm going to take this and I'm going to stake it, and I'm going to stake the maximum and to earn more yield, more Joe, right? And this is amazing because it's like you're earning yield twice. Again, this is for demonstration purposes. You can see, have an idea, and however amount of money that you have, and then you can do this. This is completely passive, and then I click approve. Okay, then we wait for the fee of approval there, and you just click confirm, and now it will be approved, and you will start to actually I started to actually earn some yield on AVAX and Joe in pool. Okay, because I'm providing liquidity, but I'm also will be yield farming with Joe here, because I'm taking the other token that have been given as an LP token and I'm putting to work as well. So yes, guys, I hope you enjoy this tutorial, and I'm going to do a lot more of this type of video to help you if you are interested to learn about these yield farming things. Okay, you can see here it's going to be 48%. Remember, there was 7% on the fund that had been pulled together in a pool, okay, the Joe and Avax, and I was given a liquidity token, LP token here, and then I take that LP token and I'm earning 48% on that APR. Amazing, right? This is great. This is the power of decentralization, and I'm all about decentralization, baby. Okay, so here is, and we're just waiting for it's been approved. So now I'm going to actually stake. So I click the word stake. So you have to wait until all that pending, all that confirmation, until if it completes, you pay the fee, and in here, and I pay this 0.0 something 10 for fee AVAX, and I'm gonna pay, and I'm gonna stake it. That's what yield farming is about, guys. It's difficult when you hear it. I mean, it's when you hear. It's not difficult when you hear about people talking about yield farming, and it sounds like rocket science. It's not actually rocket science. It's actually pretty simple, guys. Okay, all right. So it's very simple, really simple. So you see here that is zero, right? Zero reward. As soon as this is started to get to work, I will start accumulating some. You see, straight away, as soon as the confirmation, the deposit was confirmed, start to receive just a little bit. Okay, so again, this is happening every hour, every minute, guys. All right, I'll speak to you soon. I hope you enjoy this. Make sure you hit the likes and subscribe, and share this video with friends and family who would like to learn about this stuff. Okay, bye for now.